Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked in the graph below. This is the graph. The activation energy of the catalyzed reaction is what? Of the catalyzed reaction. The activation energy, there are two things: activation energy and what? Catalyzed reaction. Now, this is energy diagram. Now, before a chemical reaction take place, the reacting particle must overcome an energy barrier. The two things must first of all collide. When they collide, they will overcome an energy barrier. That energy barrier is what we call activation energy. Now, activation energy is the minimum amount of energy that is required for a reaction to start. Do you understand? Now, we have the activation energy of a catalyzed reaction, and we have the activation energy of the uncatalyzed reaction. Activation energy of the uncatalyzed reaction, if you look at the diagram like this, the one that is higher, because it has a catalyst has not been added. Catalyst is a substance that speeds up the rate of chemical reaction. So for activation energy to be faster, for a reaction to take place, there must be what? If a catalyst is added, the activation energy will be what? Will be lesser. Do you get that? Now for this one, now you can see that this graph here that is higher here is what? Uncatalyzed. This is what we call uncatalyzed. Do you get that? This shape here is what? Uncatalyzed. Why this one is what? Catalyzed. Catalyzed. Because what? A catalyst has been added, which will now be what? Which will now lower the activation energy. If a catalyst is not added, the activation energy will be high. Now, for you to calculate the activation energy, just know that this point here, the height of this point called activated complex. Activated complex, this height is called activated complex. This height here is called what? Activated complex. Now remember, this one is uncatalyzed. Why this one is catalyzed? This diagram that is catalyzed means that a catalyst has been added. So when a catalyst is being added, it will now lower the activation energy. That is why this one you see here, remember, all of them start at the same point. This is reactor and this is what? This product. Now all of them start at 100. Now when this one, a catalyst has been added to activated complex before what? Before product are now what? Are now formed. You get that? But this one, you can see that the activated complex is very high. Now for you to calculate the activation energy, remember, activated complex. Now activated complex, which is what? Activated complex minus the reactant. Where the reactant? Look at the reactant here. So the activated complex here, you trace it. If you trace this one, you get to what? 300. But we are asked of what? A catalyzed. So we are going to trace this one here. The activated complex is what? 200. So you have what? 200 minus where the reaction starts. The reaction starts at what? At 100. So we give us what? We give us 100 kilojoule. So activation energy of the catalyzed reaction is what? Is 100 kilojoule. You understand? Why the activation energy of the uncatalyzed is what? Drop it on the comment section. The activation energy of the uncatalyzed reaction in this diagram, drop it on the comment section. For more of this video, do well to follow this page. Please follow this page, like, comment, and share. Thank you, and God bless you.